So this year the research is really fascinating. I mean, like every year, but even more, we see a clear trend of increasing optimism within the GP environment across the industry of private equity at some record levels compared to the previous years. And nevertheless, we see also very strong challenges as we're heading into 2026, challenging on the macroeconomic environment, but also specific industry-related challenges. A focus on, in particular, the exits, the ability to do deals, and to fundraise. We also clearly, the survey clearly highlights some disruptions. AI is one of them. So really interesting trends for this year. In particular, this year we see the reality of a wealth revolution. We see GPs have entered and are facing the changes of the wealth revolution. That's the main change. The second huge shift for 2026 is also the GPs are entering with an optimistic perspective on fundraising. Again, that's number two. Number three, we see clearly that exits will be key with a thorough preparation, with exit readiness, meaning having a clear equity story, a clear value creation plan, really well defined, robust. And last but not least, I just mentioned it, now AI is a reality. It's part of the life of the GPs in the investment cycles, in the value creation for the portfolio companies. They use it at every level with a very high and fast pace of adoption. So really 2026 is an amazing year. It will be fascinating. It will be promising. It will be clearly a new year as we're heading into 2026 with uncertainty and great optimism. So what is new in this survey is the perspective of exiting is at the top level in terms of industry risk, what is at stake, but it's also at the highest level in terms of optimism. So it seems that it's really what is at stake for this year, but that the conditions are improving for having successful exits, which was the problem, as you mentioned, for the last 4 years, and now the perspectives are easing. So that will be the clear area of focus for 2026. So as I mentioned, it's kind of a reality today, and the obstacles are de facto more operational. So GPs are facing the constraints on the regulation side, on the operational side, and the scalability of the solutions, much more than in the previous years, where they were facing the issues of, educating the industry for these new solutions. So that's where this year the constraint lies, and it's a sign of maturity towards the wealth revolution.